Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to calculate equivalent resistance in given complex electric circuit. So I have given one circuit. So this is resistance 1. This value is given 10 ohm. I have one more resistance equal to 1 ohm, and across these resistance I have one more resistance of value 3 ohm, and here I have one more resistance of value 4 ohm. Now here I have one more resistance of value 6 ohms, and I'm connecting one more resistance here of value 12 ohms. Okay, so this is my point terminal A, this is my terminal B, and across this there is one more resistance, two more resistance. This is 1 ohm and this is 5 ohm. This is 1 ohm resistance and this is 5 ohm resistor. Okay, so in between these terminal there is a no resistance, so this will be same point as B. Okay, so this point is C and this point is D. Okay, now I want to calculate total resistance across AB. Okay, equivalent resistance RAB. So what is equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance equivalent resistance represents the total effect of the all registers connected in circuit. Okay, so in simple language, R equivalent is the sum of the resistances connected in the circuit. Okay, now I want to calculate RAB. Okay, equivalent resistance across RAB. So if I look into the circuit, I can see here I do not have any resistance. So if I take this point B, okay, so this 6 ohm and 12 ohm resistance, these two resistance are in parallel. Okay, we can see the one end, okay, head of the 2 ohms, okay, are connected with each other. Similarly, their tails are also connected. Okay, so these 6 ohm and 12 ohm resistance are in parallel. So 6 ohm is parallel to 12 ohm. Okay, similarly, if I see here in this point, okay, in this point, okay, 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistance also in parallel. So 3 ohm resistor is parallel to 6 ohm. Okay, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं दोनों का एक एंड कनेक्टेड यहाँ पे कनेक्टेड है और दूसरा एंड यहाँ पे कनेक्टेड है. ओके, सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी हमने देखा कि 6 ohm और 3 ohm are parallel and 4 ohm and 12 ohm. Okay, 4 ohm and 12 ohms are in parallel. Okay, and here with this 6 ohm and 3 ohms are parallel. Okay, so now I can write total resistance of these two resistance will be 4 into 12 upon 4 plus 12, that is 48 upon 16. So this will give me the total resistance equal to 3 ohm. Okay, similarly this will give me 3 parallel to 6, so 3 into 6. Okay, this will be 3 plus 6, this is 18, and this will give me 9, so total is 2 ohm. Okay, so now I can redraw this circuit again, once again. So I have a terminal A, across I have one resistance of 10 ohm. Okay, if I take this point C, point C, I have a resistance 6 ohm and 3 ohm. Okay, so that is 2 ohm. So I have a 2 ohm resistance here. Okay, if I take now after the C, between C and D, I have 1 ohm resistance. And if I take point D, terminal D, okay, so at terminal D, I have two resistance, 12 and 4 ohm. Okay, so their equivalent resistance is 3 ohm. So I can write here, I can draw one 3 ohm resistance here. So this is 1 ohm resistance. So this is my point terminal B, this terminal A. Now we can see here 1 ohm and 5 ohms resistance are in series. Okay, so this and this, these two resistance will be again parallel to this 4 ohm resistances. Okay, so I can write here this 6 ohm resistor is parallel to 3 ohm. Okay, so now this 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistors are in parallel, so their combination will give me 3 into 6. Okay, 3 plus 6, again 2 ohm. Okay, so now so if I combine these two resistance, they'll give me total 2 ohm resistance. Okay, so I can remove this one, I can write here 2 ohm resistance. Okay, now again this 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are in series. Okay, so this will give me total 3 ohm resistance. So I can remove this one and I can put one more resistance here, 3 ohm resistance. Okay, and now again this 2 ohm and 3 ohm are in parallel, so 2 ohm resistance parallel to 3 ohm, and this will give me 2 into 3 upon 2 plus 3, that means 6 upon 5, and this will give me 1.2 ohm. Okay, now this 1.2 ohm, total of these two resistance, 1.2 ohm resistance is series in with 10 ohm resistance. Okay, so the total resistance RAB will be equal to 10 plus 1.2 ohm equal to 11.2 ohm. Okay, so in this way we can simplify the circuit. Okay, by using a series combination and parallel combination of circuits, we can simplify the circuit and we can calculate the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Thank you very much.